Alright, how's it going everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Android Studio and configure it with Flutter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this link, I'll have it in the description. And then this is a dynamic button, it should be configured to whatever the specifications on your computer are. So go ahead, click that button. Let's just agree to that and download it. Alright, so now that that's downloaded, we're just going to open it up. Let's give it access. Click next. Click next. And I just keep it with all the default options. All right. All right, so with this, we're going to click Do Not Import Settings. You could do this. I typically prefer not to. Next. Standard. So I always pick Darkula. Skip all of that. Alright, so now that everything's configured, just click Finish. First thing you're gonna want to do is go to the Sdk Manager. Go to Settings and Plugins, and then search for Flutter. Make sure it'll automatically install the, or recommend to install Dart as well. You're going to want to do that. So now you have this new option, create a new Flutter project. And that's what you're looking for. So now that you've got Flutter installed, the next thing you're going to want to do, you can go ahead and create a new Flutter project. Let's just do the basic. We'll call it test app. And let's put it in. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a new folder and call it apps. Then I'm going to go and Alright, so previously in the last video I showed you that the SDK is going to be located right here. So let's put that in. And then for this, let's go ahead and go to my desktop, open that apps folder and select that. And then, yeah, new Flutter application, that's fine. Let's go here. So this would be if you have any sort of website, you can put that here. So what I'm going to do is com.holtrussell. So basically that would be holtrussell.com, and the app name is test app. So let's finish that. And it should open with a new project. Alright, so once the project has been created, you'll actually have a full application that's pre-built. But the last thing you're going to need is to open the Sdk Manager. And then let's create a new project. I'll just delete my old one. Create a new virtual device. You want to get Nexus. I'll show you why in a second. We've got our... So emulated performance, make sure you click the hardware, and that'll accelerate it. And then once you have that, you should be able to run it. And then you can once it starts, you can run your code for the first time. Alright, so we got an error, but there's a really quick fix for that. Just enter Flutter Doctor Android license. Cool. Now let's see. Alright, and there you have it, your very first app. So all it does is it counts the amount of times you've clicked this button, but in the next video I'll show you how to edit that and create your own app.